In this video, I will be disassembling this Kia Optima Xenon headlight. Here is the part number on the light. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. Here we can see that the bezel is connected to the lens using a series of Phillips head screws. I will begin by removing the turn signal reflector. The turn signal reflector is held in place by a single Phillips head screw on the rear of the light. Next, I'm going to remove the screw holding in the moisture pack. Next, I need to go to the rear and remove the Afs motor. In order to release the Afs motor, I'm going to use an 8mm socket to loosen this bolt. Once the bolt's fully loosened, I simply need to twist the Afs motor and pull it out. In order to remove the projector, I need to release the 3 clips holding the projector mounts in place. With the 3 mounting tabs loosened, we can now pull the projector forward out of the light. We have to disconnect the high beam bulb connector in order to pull the unit out. There are 4 Phillips head screws, 2 each holding in the turn signal bulb and the outer corner marker light bulb. From the bottom of the light, I will release the clip and pop out the ballast connector. Simply depress the clip, slide it to the left, and push it into the headlight. From the rear of the light, we need to turn the wire harness connector 1/4 turn to the right and push it into the headlight. Now we can pull out the rest of the wire harness from the light. At this point, the wire harness is free from the light and the headlight housing is now empty. There are 3 Phillips head screws, each holding in the high beam reflector and the projector bowl. Here is the projector bowl. We can see that the unit has heavy damage and most of the chrome on the top has flaked off from heat due to use. Here is the cutoff shield for the projector. Here's the high beam reflector. It houses a single H7 halogen bulb. Here's the main projector bracket. You can see that the projector and high beam reflector holder are all molded into a single unit. The projector lens is 3 inches in diameter and the lens retainer is held in place with a single Phillips head screw. The projector cannot be easily replaced with a generic aftermarket projector unit. Here's a close-up of the projector lens. We can see the Fresnel dimple rings in the lens. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.